Xiaomi's MIUI 13 makes your smartphone feel fresh, especially if you previously used MIUI. It's new and will take some getting accustomed to. Xiaomi says this update resolves 400 bugs. MIUI 13 review, features in action, and additional hidden features are all covered in this video. Let's start, shall we? Number 5. Widgets. The most noticeable change in MIUI 13 is the addition of new widgets. Click the plus sign in the upper right corner of the screen or squeeze with 2 fingers on the desktop to open the widget interface. MIUI 13 update includes a plethora of widgets. There are several customizable widgets and third-party application widgets in addition to standard system widgets like clock, weather, and calendar. The main distinction between these new MIUI 13 widgets and the old widgets is that they have been carefully customized. Not only are the aesthetics superior, but so is their practicability. Consider the clock. The MIUI 13 has around 30 widgets of varied designs for the clock alone, and one of them is definitely going to draw your attention. While widgets may be beautiful to look at, their beauty is somehow, perhaps subtly, dependent on the wallpapers they're placed on. With Android 12's Material You design, that makes it even more crucial to have a beautiful wallpaper to enhance several areas of the UI with the color extraction. We'll give you exclusive details on how the MIUI 13 update makes these better. Though there aren't many third-party software widgets available right now, prominent applications like Alipay, NetEase Cloud Music, Weibo, AutoNavi Maps, and others do. Users may now access the secondary interface of these third-party apps directly from the desktop by clicking on the widgets. This unquestionably enhances operational efficiency. The Personalized widget is the most intriguing of these widgets. They are quite useful, whether they are personalized signatures, personalized tools, or personalized stickers. Even without the assistance of third-party launchers, we can improve the look of the mobile desktop. Of course, MIUI 13 isn't the only UI we're covering. We're also keeping an eye on iOS 16, among many major developments happening in the tech space. In light of that, why don't you hit the subscribe button to get in the know? Number 4. Fluency and stability. In general, MIUI 13 is 15% to 52% faster than MIUI 12.5 upgraded version.
Lighter, faster, more agile.
The system application fluency is increased by 20% to 26% compared to the MIUI 12.5 upgraded edition. There are also other high-frequency usage cases in which the frame loss rate reaches 90%. The technology not only detects core circumstances like full-screen gestures, but it also directs CPU resources toward the core system for key third-party programs. This enhances the fluency of these apps greatly. Stability is pushed to the limit when doing a lot of heavy tasks during multitasking. That's when a lot of RAM and processing is done. How does MIUI 13 achieve smooth multitasking? That's coming up later in the video. Stay with us. The most unexpected characteristic of this MIUI 13 review is the MIUI 13 increase in fluency and stability. Regarding user experience, whether you're entering the desktop from the lock screen, pausing the opening of an application in the middle, or attempting anything else that involves more time, the response is quite quick. I have a joke on Xiaomi, but it's still under testing. Number 3. Enhanced security. In this globalized society, security has become increasingly vital. Xiaomi recognizes it and has included a number of security enhancements in its MIUI 13 upgrade. Face verification, for example, was prioritized by the corporation. It improves the accuracy of facial detection. For example, its program now automatically removes upper bodies to focus just on the face. It also captures a more complete picture of your face, preventing anyone from fooling the system with images. This is accomplished in the MIUI 13 using sophisticated facial recognition during video conversations or face verification. This enables the user to display simply the face rather than the complete upper body. The occlusion effect is excellent. It just follows the face and ignores the upper body. If security has been a problem for you, we found that MIUI 13 fixes that. Xiaomi touted 2 other new security-centric features of MIUI 13 known as Privacy Watermark and Fraud Protection. This will be very useful to those of you that do not like your data to be shared. It's something to give you control over your data. The Certificate Privacy Watermark enables users to simply apply a watermark to sensitive material such as ID identification, cards, and minimizing the certificate's use. This function likewise works well and adds watermarks swiftly. The fraud prevention function enables the system to execute the full connection and includes several safeguards such as electronic fraud warning, official identity, fraud application installation interception, and transfer protection. This makes telecoms fraud on this system very difficult. Number 2. Wallpapers. MIUI 13 also includes 10 glass wallpapers and 9 crystal wallpapers to the system wallpapers this time. In all, there are also nearly 50 new wallpapers available within MIUI 13 update, including a handful of live, blooming wallpapers. The new wallpapers were created using an 8K time-lapse camera and a polarization microscope, which recorded the crystallization process of various crystals. Although the perspective isn't great, it's rather intriguing to look at. Glass wallpapers tend to be more appealing since they can mimic the color of your smartphone. Number 1. Multitasking. The MIUI 13 pad now supports floating windows. The program windows can also be adjusted to meet your needs. As a result, users may complete numerous jobs at the same time. It's called multitasking. Xiaomi goods running MIUI 13 are now in sync with each other, much as Apple, Samsung, Huawei, and other devices. As a result, customers may pick up where they left off on their smartphone and vice versa on their tablet. Our iOS 16 video is already out. If you're looking to learn more about both the Android and iOS space, you definitely should check it out. It's called iOS 16 Leaks. This will be better than expected. We shared everything we knew about the OS. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again soon.